Alright, I've taught quadratic equation in several classes, videos that have been shared. Today, we're going to be looking at the graphical method of solving quadratic equation. I've taught the factorization method, I've taught the formula method, and I've taught the completing the square method. We've also explained how to use completing the square method to get the formula, quadratic formula, which says x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, you can check out the classes. Right now we are going to be using the graphical method. So 4 method of solving quadratic equation is 1 factorization, 2 formula, 3 completing the square, and 4 is the fourth one is the graphical method, which we are looking at today. Alright, so if you look at this graph, it's a graph of quadratic equation. Graph of quadratic equation always form a U shape, a parabola, either U or N. It forms a U when you have positive x squared. It forms an inverted parabola when you have negative x squared. Alright, here we have a graph of y is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. The two things we are asked to find here is the turning point. The turning point is also the lowest point of this graph, which is this point that I circle right here. Alright, so that's our turning point. And if you check it, it's on negative 4 for y and it's on 1 for x. So in your coordinates, you have x and y. So the first question to get the turning point, our turning point, which is this point here, right here, is 1 minus 4. So the value of x is 1, the value of y is minus 4. 1 and minus 4. That is our turning point. That's number 1 solution, the turning point of the graph. The second question here is to find the root of equation. And the root of equation is where the graph crosses the x-axis. Alright, so if you look at this point and this point, that is your root of equation. Alright, so I'm going to clear the graph so that we can see it better. Alright, so this point and this point form the root of equation. And if you look at it, at the positive side we have 5, at the negative side we have negative 1. So x is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 1. That is the root of equation for this graph. Our turning point is 1 minus 4, and the root of equation is x equals to 1 or x equals to 5. So if you go down to look at the question, write down the turning point. We said is 1 and minus 4. Root of equation is minus 1 or 5 or 3. It's not 5, minus 1 or 3. Yeah, so this is 3, not 5. Just saying that. So our root of equation is minus 1 or 3, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is after here. So this is the right answer, right? Alright, so in case you watch the video halfway and you see 5, just know that the answer is minus 1 or 3. Alright, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so, and join us again in another class. See you. Bye bye.